Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Poco X8 Pro Max and Poco X8 Pro. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two phones come with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. Both phones come with AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Hardware features. Both two devices are powered by the MediaTek chipset. Camera features. They offer the same camera features. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. Both phones have good 5G connectivity, storage speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.